Adam Livingston is set to go down against Hunter Smith. And Adam Livingston has a record of 7-1-0, 6'2", 73.5 inches of reach out of Nassau, New York. He defeated Kyle Pufal, Hugo Arzon, lost to Tommy Gant, and he was better than Jake Hicksonville, Clint Patterson, and Hunter Smith on the other side has a record of 8-1-0, 5'9", fighting out of Louisiana. He defeated Elliot Heber, Aleko Sagliani, Nico Echeverri, Juan Chavana, and he lost to Elliot Heber, but a funny thing, man. I believe Hunter Smith is in the best shape of his life right now, aka belt winner, and Adam Livingston was having ups and downs. I just think he might not be in the best shape of his life, but he'll be fighting until the last dying breath, so I'm going with fight, not going the distance. If I must pick a side, going with Hunter Smith.